It's that time of year again. The days are getting longer and Memorial Day is on Monday. So let's change out this porch decor. Hi, I'm Janet. Welcome to my channel. If you're looking for inspiration to decorate for Memorial Day, then you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll be going to HomeGoods and Hobby Lobby to find inspiration for Memorial Day decor. We'll be looking for items for the home and the front porch. One of the reasons why Tom and I added onto the front porch to make it a wraparound is because I wanted to decorate for the holidays and the season. I've always loved the patriotic bunting, and I'm so excited to see if I can find any. There's no time like the present, so let's get going. Hobby Lobby is usually the first place that I shop for the holidays and seasons, with HomeGoods and TJ Maxx coming in second and third. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite store to shop and why. The first item I always look for are placemats to go underneath the bowl on the table. It always sets the stage for the rest of the decor, and it is the perfect foundation to build your theme around. The solid colors are a little bit boring. I'm really liking the striped placemat on the left. The next item I always look for are collections of items, usually something round and colorful, to be the wow factor in my centerpiece, and these balls will do just fine. I always look for a small wooden piece to go on the table or to hang underneath the television, but I think this is a little too small and not really my style. I circled back around for this striped placemat because I thought it was so pretty, and when I flipped it over I noticed it had stars on the other side. How cute! I saw the smaller star-shaped placemats and I have an idea, and I'll show you after we get home what I did with it. I think this wooden star set will go perfectly with the placemats, and they're only $5.99, so I think I'll get them. I think I can use these twine stars, and so I think I'll take a package of them as well. I know the perfect place for these little stars, and so I'll get one in each color. I think I know the perfect place for this, so I'll get it as well. I have an idea of where I can use these picks, and I think I'll get one of each color. That's about all I wanted from Hobby Lobby, so let's head over to HomeGoods. This is nice, but it's a little too cutesy and not my style. I like the wooden firecrackers. I wish I'd bought them. I may go back and get them if they're still there. They have them. There's the buntings. I'm so excited. I can't wait to add these to the front porch. We're back. I found a lot of the items that I was looking for, and I'll show you those before we go outside to change out the decor on the porch. I found these beautiful Market Square towels from HomeGoods, and they were $6.99 for 4. You got 2 white, a red, and a blue, and I'll be using these in the kitchen. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know on my front porch that I have a bowl, and I like to change out the decorations in it for the different holidays and seasons. And so at HomeGoods, I was able to find these twine stars, and they come in red, white, and blue. And also these cute little balls. They have stripes and stars, and there's also some twine ones in there. And for the area around the top of the television, I bought these cute little stars, and I think I'll cut the tags off and then tie a piece of twine around the plastic to hang the stars around the television. And I think I'll do the same for these stars, and I'll put it below the television. And I found these adorable little picks. I'm not sure where I'm going to use them yet, but I may use them on my welcome sign. You didn't get to see in the last video, I did remove the bunny sign and I replaced it with my regular summer welcome sign. So I'm not sure, but we'll see where they end up. And I found this beautiful little pick, and I think I'll put it in the vase next to the glider in the chair. I also like to decorate underneath the bowl, and I'll usually put a placemat underneath it, and I can use the stars or the stripes, but I found a star with stars on it, so I'll probably lay it like that and then put the bowl on top. What do you think about that? And I may go back and get one for the dining room as well. I found this tin star, and I think I'll hang it where the butterfly is, and again it has a little hanger, so I can just hang it from that instead of using the twine. And I found this beautiful patriotic wreath, and I'll be replacing the lavender wreath on the door with this one. I found my bunting at HomeGoods. I only bought 2, and then I changed my mind and wanted more, but when I went back they were all gone. But I do have enough to go along the front railing of the porch. So now that we've went through everything, let's get decorating on the front porch. And we'll save those bags so when we change out the decor, I can put it back in the bag. And here's the bunting. Isn't it beautiful? And here's the new wreath, so let's put it up. Now let's separate the pick and get it in the vase. Now we'll put up the stars. And here's how the house turned out. I have my buntings on the rail, and I didn't have enough decor, so I went back to Dollar General and I purchased these paper lanterns. I love pinwheels, so I got some patriotic pinwheels. And we bought a new flag at Lowe's because the other one was faded. And so here's the wreath in the 10 star. And this is how the table turned out. And I ended up putting the wooden stars here since they didn't have a back. And I bought a home pillow at the Dollar General. And here's the paper lanterns. And there went Mama Bird. She laid some more eggs, so we're gonna have another batch of baby birds. And here's how the centerpiece turned out. And when I was at Dollar General, I picked up this heart-shaped patriotic wreath. And here's the other paper lanterns. And I bought this bow at the Dollar General, and I had it on the door, but Tom said he couldn't open and close the door, so I had to take it down. And I think I'll go back and buy another one and put it on the other side of the swing. I also bought this blanket at the Dollar General. It's a dark blue, and then it fades into a light blue and white, and it has fringes. And I picked up this wooden flag at the Dollar General as well to finish out the television area with the 3 stars. So that's it. Let me know how you think it turned out. I'd appreciate your comments. Thank you for spending the day with me. I hope you had fun and found some inspiration for the upcoming holiday. Until the next time, live life and find what makes you happy. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.